How to enable voice typing in MS Word in Windows 10 or 11. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you the perfect way, step by step process. So let's start with the video guys, and at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so here the starting we need to check our microphone settings. So just come on your desktop, and here you can, this is sound icon, just click on, right click on it and go to the sound setting. So under the system you can see the sound setting, and here we can see our microphone. So this is my microphone, this is my microphone name. You can select your microphone from here, just click on it and you can select the microphone. This is currently in use, so we can't change the microphone here, but you can check your setting here. Now just come to the sounds. Here you can see your volume. This is your speaker volume, and this is the input microphone. Okay, so this is your microphone name and this is your microphone level. Okay, so this is working, you can see this is working now. And here this is all sound device, you can check the all sound device here, which is connected to your computer. So this is my microphone and this is my I think this is my speaker and this is my microphone. Okay, and here you can see the all mixer, just click on it and you can see same the sound system. And this is my microphone input, and here from here you can select your microphone. So I have only one microphone connected, so this is my default microphone. Okay, just come back to sound again, and here go to the mode settings, and this is the sound settings. So this is my speaker, playback means speaker, recording means this is my microphone, this is working. Okay, so from here you can select your speaker and just make sure this is a set default speaker. Okay, you can also change the sound settings. If you want to increase your microphone sound, you can also increase from here. Yeah, this is a level, you can see. If I increase level from here, you can see the same by default. This also increase and decrease, you can see, because this is interconnected. Okay, so this is a internal setting, but you can work if you're working on Windows 11, so you can make your microphone setting from here also. Okay, make sure your all settings are working. Now here go to the search system and search for microphone. Okay, go to the microphone privacy settings, and you need